the aircraft in front of him. On command watch, they smoothly transition back to the Thunderbird diamond formation.
Evil bird.
Watch his Aiden.
Have positioned themselves on opposite ends of the runway to cross and show center. A typical maneuver made even more challenging since Thunderbird pilots approaching upside down and inverted flight.
In every stage of
Jerk. He like walks right in front of it, talking about nothing. Trying to catch the flying airplane and George Washington over here.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, everyone's ready for a picture formation flying at its finest. From your right to the diamond, pass in review.
Yeah, don't ruin my shot this time.
Now from your right, watch as our lead solo maintains level flight.
That was probably a really good trick too. They missed it. They missed it. we just do that? We definitely did that. Up in the wheel. Like shirts, sir.
It's America.
Our two solo fellas this time to create a mirror image in their trademark
Inbred dog.
zone pad.
That's perfect. Here they come. Why don't we sit behind the tent? They always do the moves right behind the tent, so we're like, what? What was that? We should pick another song. Yeah, what not to turn down? There's a huge tent in our way. They don't play the full song either. They play like the first 2 minutes, maybe.
Now from the left, it's the arrowhead formation with our two wingmen, Captain Ryan Riley and Major Caroline Jensen. Dropping back to fly first slot pilot, Captain Nick Holmes in the arrowhead bowl.
That bird that we saw last one is landing right now. I can see him. I don't see him. Ah. I'm just gonna keep video and tape until this camera runs out.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, watch as the two solo pilots come from behind and overhead.
That's pretty awesome. Yeah. Yes, indeed. That's how I sit, like this. That's very annoying. Stop it.
The diamond is now pushing from your right. This is a rare opportunity to go inside the cockpit of Thunderbird 1 as Lieutenant Colonel Mosley calls for the 4 diamond pilots to perform simultaneous aileron rolls in close formation. Our solo pilots are once again inbound from high-speed head-on pads. Cross, watch for them to climb sharply, then reverse course in a split-up maneuver to cross again with a nice band pad.
Probably can't see this right now. See, they do it right there. Did I get in your way? What? Did you really? Did you really? I thought you did. Because I see you and I'm like, trying to walk in the way.
Looking front to your left, you'll see the Thunderbirds once again in trail formation. Watch closely as they perform one of the most difficult maneuvers, the trail to diamond roll.
Interesting. Shreveport, Louisiana. me crap my pants. Oh, I see it.
Slow and slow.
You guys see that black dot? That's an airplane. A jet, maybe. Yeah. Whatever this movie is, it's pretty cool. Yeah.
Back to the right. It's the diamond.
Yeah, right. Oh, it's on the top.
On pursuit. Let's smoke. That's Major Williams closing on the diamond at more than 500 miles per hour.
500. That's a lot of miles per hour.
Directly in front of you.
Oh, see, it told you. See it? That's very small. My camera can't catch it. Faster than that.
Now you're winning. Capital surprise. The music right in the circle. Back for the quarter turn. Come for the half Q8.
Yeah, we are. Lethal, that doesn't sound good. Like if it's like still thinking good, the bombs start bending.
Stick with
Is that Michael Jackson? That's why you're the last one. Right. Because you're trying to show off, make yourself first.
Stay in formation, just go home.
We set a triangle, not a 32 square.
If you make exact control input, you can have 4 goals.